Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Yes, you all are safe and fine, and you did your exam so well. Very good. Keep reading always, right? Okay, now move on. You have seen my last video. In that video, we already started our chapter number 7. Which chapter started? Yes, chapter number 7. And what is the name of the chapter? Location of places. The name of the chapter is Location of Places. Right? So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about directions and subdirections. These two things, directions and subdirections, right? So what are we going to learn? Directions and subdirection. Right, so number 1 we will discuss about direction. We will discuss about directions actually, right? Okay, so dear students, I already try to see, dear students, this keep is in your mind that this chapter is little, I am not saying, but this is little difficult to you to get the direction, to understand about the direction. May be possible sometime you can face the difficulty, how we can find the direction, how I can find the right way, right direction, right? How I can find the proper location of that particular place where I want to go. Maybe it happens with you or with me also. It is happening in our day-to-day life. This thing is very common, right? So we will discuss about directions. First we will discuss about direction, how we can locate a direction, right? So dear students, to study about the direction and the location, we have to study about map. We have to study about map, right? Understand? Have you seen the map? Have you seen India's map? It is given on your book. Yes, I will show you. This is our country's map. Yes, can you see? Yes, this is India's map. This is India's map. Right? Okay. Now dear students, if we want to learn in location about direction, so first we should know about the main direction. We have to know where I am standing, what is behind me, what is in front of me, what is on left side, what is the things is placed on my right side. These all things we come to know, we will learn, we will come to know, we will discuss in this lecture, right? So dear students, can you tell me a small answer? Can you give me a small answer? In which direction sun will rise? In which direction sun will rise. Yes, answer is very easy. Answer is very simple. Sun always rise in the east. Sun always rise in the east. This is very common answer. You are hearing this answer so many times from your parents, from your teachers, from your grandparents. This answer is very easy. कई बार तो किसी काम को अगर आप कर दो तो मम्मी या पापा मजाक में भी बोलते ना, आज सूरज क्या पश्चिम से निकला है? तो पश्चिम क्या है? नेम ऑफ द डायरेक्शन है ना. यूजुअली इन विच डायरेक्शन सन इज रेज? यस, सन ऑलवेज रेज इन द ईस्ट. पूरब से निकलता है. इन हिंदी वी कैन कॉल पूरब. ईस्ट, पूरब, पूरब, ईस्ट. राइट. ओके, सो अब दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लिक इज योर माइंड, मैम हाउ आई कैन कम टू नो अबाउट ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. ओके, हाउ वी कैन come to know about east direction. This question will raise is in your mind, this clicks is in your mind. आपके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली आएगा ही. How I can come to know about direction? How I can come to know about direction? कैसे पता चलेगा मुझे कि where I am standing in front of which direction? How I come to know? How I can locate the place, right? So this is very easy. I will, don't worry about the location, about the direction. I will explain each and everything nicely so you can understand nicely, right? So first I will read whatever is written in your book. I am going to read paragraph number 1. This wala paragraph number 1 I am going to read for you. Then I will explain each and everything. Okay, shall we start? Okay, the knowledge of location of place on a map or in a locality is very important. Yes, it is very much correct written over here in your book. The knowledge of location of place on a map. When we will see any map, how we can identify about the particular location of that particular place. So map will help us to find out the proper direction. Map will help us to get the right way, to get the proper way where we want to reach. Understand? Hope you understand well because you all are good students, right? So the next line, the easiest way to find a place is by naming the direction. So what is the easiest way to find the direction? The word direction refers to way in which a person or thing moves along. There are main directions which we will discuss. Okay, so nothing much is given in this paragraph, but I will try to explain you better and I will make your understand about one activity. We will do, you have to do this activity, you have to perform this activity at your home. And what you have to do, I will explain to you, I will tell to you. Okay, and dear student, you have to make the video when you will do this activity, when you will perform this activity, you will make the video. Okay, so when your activity will finish, your performance will finish, you can watch your own video and you can notice, yes, this is right, this little mistake I have done. So each and everything you can notice too well when you will make your own video, or you can send to me also, right? So what if you want to learn about the direction, the easiest way to learn about the direction is that you have to, first thing you have to wake up early in the morning. Okay, if you want to do this activity, the one condition is that you have to wake up early in the morning. This is the condition. This is the condition number one. Condition number one is that you have to wake up early in the morning. If you really want to learn about the direction, one day you have to wake up early in the morning. Now, see dear students, you used to wake up early in the morning, but because of this lockdown, because of this coronavirus, you all are at your homes and you start waking up late in the morning, है ना? Why? Because you no need to come to school. That's why this habit is automatic develop is in your routine, because this automatically be a part of your routine. Nowadays you all are waking up little late rather than your regular school. So if you want to perform this activity, you have to wake up early in the morning. And what you will do, you will go on open place. Number 2, you will go on a open place. Right? Condition number 2. If you want to do this activity, you want to perform this activity, एक दिन आपको जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा. You have to wake up early in the morning, and number 2, you have to go in the open space. आपको एक खुली जगह पर जाना पड़ेगा and stand on that direction where the sun rises. Number 3, stand in the same direction where the sun rises. What is number 3? You have to stand in the same direction from where sun is rays. Right? Understand? Huh? Okay, so this is your instructions number 3, if you want to come to know about the direction, about the location, about the place, you have to wake up early in the morning, you have to go to an open area, and you have to stand on that area where the sun rises. जहाँ से सूरज उग रहा है उस दिशा में आपको अपना फेस करके खड़े होना है ओपन प्लेस पर. अंडरस्टैंड? होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेल. ठीक है, अब आई विल ड्रॉ अ स्मॉल पिक्चर फॉर यू. I will draw a small picture for you, right? So you can understand well. See, suppose you are standing on a open place. You are standing on a open place, right? And sun starts rising on the same place. See dear students, sun always rise from the same place, and the name and the location and the direction of that place is east, and we can call east in Hindi, we can call Purab or Purv. Purv, east, east, Purv. Purv, east, east, Purv. This is your first direction. ठीक है, अब suppose sun starts rising from the east. Sun starts rising in which direction? East. Which direction you got? East, है ना? If you want to do this activity, first condition, wake up early in the morning. Second, go in an open place. And third, stand in an open place and stand in front of that place where the sun is rising. Sun always rise in the same direction in the same place. And the name of that direction and the name of that place and the name of that particular location we can call east, or in Hindi में you can say पूरब. In Hindi में you can say पूरब और पूर्व. ठीक है, अगर आपने ये एक्टिविटी की, it means what? It means you got the first direction, है ना? It means you got the first direction. So keep this thing is in your mind that sun always rises in the east. इसका मतलब ये हुआ आपको आपकी पहली डायरेक्शन मिल गई. You got the first direction, right? अब suppose I am giving my example. ठीक है, this is sun. This is sun, and I am standing in front of the sun, right? So where I am standing? Yes, I am standing in which direction? I am standing in the east direction. I am standing in the east direction. So I got the first direction, which is east. Yes, and what is my back side? अगर सामने की तरफ east है तो पीछे क्या होगा? पीछे होगा west. If I am standing in front of the sun rising always from east, and my face is in front of the sun, it means I am standing in east direction. And we got one direction. There are main four directions: east, west, north, south. How many directions are there? There are four basic directions: east, west, north साउथ. इन हिंदी पूर्व, पश्चिम, उत्तर, दक्षिण. पूर्व, पश्चिम, उत्तर, दक्षिण. ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ. ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ. Understand? Okay. Now suppose if you are standing in front of the sun. Sun is always rise from the east and your face is in front of the sun. It means you are standing in east direction. ठीक है? Then which direction is on your back side? Direction number 1 east तो मिल गई. Direction number 1 east तो we got. क्योंकि सूरज जो है वो पूर्व से निकलता है, ईस्ट से निकलता है, इसलिए मुझे मेरी पहली डायरेक्शन तो मिल गई. अब हाउ वी कैन गेट सेकंड डायरेक्शन? वेस्ट. सो मेरे पीछे क्या होगा? वेस्ट होगा. वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग इन द हवाबाजी, मैं मन से नहीं बोल रही हूँ. बिकॉज सन ऑलवेज राइज फ्रॉम द ईस्ट एंड सेट इन द वेस्ट. This is the same direction. Sun is doing these things from thousands years ago. सूरज जो है ना बेटा वो पहली बार ऐसा नहीं कर रहा है, हजारों सालों से सूरज यही कर रहा है. Sun always rise from east direction and set in the west direction. Always again new day, sunrise from the east and evening sunset in the west. Again in the morning sunrise from the east and set from west. Again new morning sun rises from east and set in the west. This process will go on continuously from thousands of years ago, right? So second direction is west. If my face is in front of the sun, from sun where sun is rising, it means the back side is west. So we got two directions. We got two directions. First is east, second is west. Okay. Now, see dear students, we always used left and right directions also. है ना? We always use left and right direction also. This I will tell you in very deep. First we will discuss about the directions. Okay, so east and west, so we got east or west, so we got. Now we will discuss about north and south. North and south. ठीक है. So today we will learn only about 4 directions: east, west, north, south. These are the main 4 directions is in entire the world. And if we want to locate a place, if we want to find out the new place, we will follow these directions. So mainly we have 4 directions. Mainly we have 4 directions: east, west, north, south. How many directions we have? We have 4 directions. ठीक है. So today we will learn this much only बेटा, इतना ही सीखेंगे. अगर मैं एक दिन में if I will take so many concept in one day, so this chapter you will face little difficulty to understand. Okay, so what homework I am giving you, what activity I am giving you to do is that you have to wake up early in the morning. Second, you have to go to in a open place and you will find out from where sun is rising. Open place में जाने के बाद आपको ये देखना है कि सन कौन सी डायरेक्शन में से राइज कर रहा है, सन कहाँ से उग रहा है. ठीक है. When you will find that sun, yes, sun is rising from this direction. when you will find the answer of this question, yes, sun is rising from this direction. It means you are standing in, your face is in front of east. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि आपका जो मुंह है, आपका जो स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन है वो ईस्ट की डायरेक्शन में है. देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट द सेकेंड डायरेक्शन. अगर आपका फेस ईस्ट में है, देन आपका जो बैक पोर्शन है, आपका जो बैक साइड है वो वेस्ट में होगा. सो यू गॉट टू डायरेक्शन. अगर आप सन के सामने जाएंगे तो आपको एक साथ दो डायरेक्शंस मिल जाएंगी, बिकॉज सन ऑलवेज राइजेस फ्रॉम ईस्ट एंड ऑलवेज सेट इन द वेस्ट. सो यू विल गेट टू डायरेक्शन, ईस्ट वेस्ट. बाकी सिर्फ दो बची. तो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट लेफ्ट एंड राइट ऑल्सो. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा बाद में सीखेंगे, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज. सो ईस्ट, वेस्ट, north, south, there are main 4 directions, and I am giving you a small work. You have to make the video. When you will go in an open place, make a small video, and when you will wake up early in the morning na beta, you will feel very happy. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Your entire day will go very smoothly, because always wake up early in the morning. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. ठीक है. सो नॉट ओनली दिस टाइम, ऑलवेज वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड मेक योर वीडियो. यू कैन सेंड टू मी, राइट. एंड दिस, व्हेन यू विल डू दिस एक्टिविटी ना, यू कैन कम टू नो अबाउट द डायरेक्शन इजीली. अगर आप, इफ यू विल नॉट डू दिस एक्टिविटी, you will face to understand about the direction and the location. So it is very necessary to you to do this activity to get learning about directions and the location and the places, right? And I am hoping that you will do this, you will follow the instructions whatever I am giving you. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, bye bye.